Max is gone!
What?
Calm down. What happened?
I can't find Max anywhere. The front door is open.
Who opened it?
I don't know, but Max is not here.
Everyone stay calm.
Dad, what if we never see Max again?
No. Max is family. We will find him.
Max! Max! Max, where are you?
Check the kitchen.
He's not here.
Look in the backyard.
Maybe he's sleeping in the garage.
Is he there?
No.
Everyone, think carefully. Who saw Max last?
I played with him after breakfast. Then I went upstairs.
I was cleaning the kitchen.
I was in the garden.
So, when did he leave?
Wait, look at this.
What is it?
Max's red ball.
It's near the front gate.
The gate is open. Someone forgot to close it.
Do you think Max went outside?
Maybe. Let's search together.
Excuse me,
Yes?
have you seen our dog?
A small brown dog? Yes! I saw him running toward the park about 20 minutes ago.
Thank you. Let's go!
Hurry!
Max! Max!
Check behind the trees.
I'll check near the playground.
I found his blue collar.
Oh no!
Max was here.
But where did he go? We keep searching.
We are not giving up. Excuse me, have you seen a small brown dog?
Yes, I think I did.
Which way did they go?
Toward the old bridge.
Thank you so much.
Come on, let's go!
Dad!
Did you find him?
No, but I found these.
They look like Max's paws.
Follow them.
I can hear Max!
Max! We're here!
I see him!
He's okay.
Max! We found you!
You're safe.
Welcome home, Max.
We missed you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more easy English stories. See you next time. Bye.